Hello there and welcome back to day 28, the Twitter marketing strategies and the walking tour, the walking challenge. And one thing I wanted to talk to you about today was limitations. I was somewhere yesterday, I wanted to take you but my camera ran out, my battery ran out, but there was a man who didn't know his limitations and he ended up with his truck 50 feet or whatever, 30 meters below the road he should have been on. It was only a small side track and he was taking a huge truck down a side track and ended up rolling off it. So with your videos, you want to be, if you're starting off doing videos at all, you want to start them off with being short. Don't worry too much about getting great length until you get some traction, get something going, get more confident. Okay, and we can't all be Gart Vee. You can't distribute your video everywhere in every format because, you know, different platforms require different formats. Yes, you can do it, but yes, it's a lot of work. So knowing your limitations is a very good good quality to have. Don't look at everybody else, don't compare yourself, just get on, do what you can, and do a challenge. You've seen what I can do and what you can do also with the 30 videos. You can conquer a whole page on YouTube. Other keywords you'll be into getting them on Google. Google doesn't always put videos up, but by and large they do. So you can conquer Google and YouTube search engines with a few videos. Anyway, that's my tip for today. Learn your limitations and stick to them. You can always build up gradually from there. I'm Kirwan and I'll see you in another video tomorrow. Bye bye.